In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can completely uninstall VS Code from your Windows. So for it, just go to your Windows search option. Then here you need to search for setting. So here you can see setting. Click on this. Then click on apps. Then click on install apps. So here you will find Visual Studio Code. So in order to uninstall Visual Studio Code, we need to click on this three dot. Then click here uninstall. Click on uninstall again and click on yes. So it will uninstall Visual Studio Code from your system, but there will be still a few Visual Studio Code file in your system. So we need to completely remove those. So in order to do this, you need to go to your file explorer, and here you need to go to the local disk C. So click on this, then here you will see this users folder. Go inside this user folder, and here you will see this user folder again. So this is users folder and this is user folder. Go inside this folder, and over here you will see this folder called .vscode. So you need to delete this. So we'll delete this. So here you can see that file is deleted. So after that, what you need to do is that you need to click on views, then click on show, and here you can see hidden items. So you need to click here hidden items. So once you click on hidden items, you will show you a folder called AppData. So we need to go inside this folder, and here you can see roaming. Go inside the roaming folder. Then here you will see a folder called code. So we need to delete this folder. Just select this, right click on this folder, then click here delete, and this folder will be deleted, and this folder size is almost around 2 GB for me. So the folder size will be different for everyone, and it will be deleted. After that, what you need to do is that you need to go back to the app data folder, and here you need to go inside the local folder. Then you need to go down and you need to look for a folder called Microsoft. Here you can see Microsoft. So go inside this folder, and in this folder you will see some folder called Visual Studio, Visual Studio Services, VS Application Inside, VS Code, CPP Tools, and VS Common. So you need to delete those folder from here. So once you delete this, it means you already remove everything for Visual Studio Code from your system. But there is one more thing that you can do is that you can go to the user folder, and here in this folder you need to look for any extension that you install for Visual Studio Code. For example, here you can see I have an extension called CodeGBT. So this is a Visual Studio Code extension. So I'm going to delete this from here. So whatever extension you have in the user folder for Visual Studio Code, just delete that. Okay, so this how you can completely remove Visual Studio Code from your system.